Inserting Excel spreadsheet without link. If you already have a spreadsheet, you can either insert the spreadsheet or insert it with link to file. If spreadsheet is not linked and just inserted, you can modify the spreadsheet, but changes to or from original spreadsheet will not occur. Changes will only be on spreadsheet in Word document. Click on Insert tab. Click on Object. Select Create from File. Browse to File. Select File. Insert. Leave Link to File unchecked. Click OK. Spreadsheet is inserted. Double-click on cell to modify value. Modify value. Click outside the spreadsheet to go back to Word document. Notice value is changed. Click on Save button. Open Excel spreadsheet in Excel. Changes made to Excel spreadsheet in document are not here. New value is inserted. Save spreadsheet. Go back to Word document. No changes from original document are in spreadsheet in Word. Right-click for menu. No update option is available.